Welcome to our 2025 guide on sharing bets on FanDuel. Let's dive into what makes this platform so exciting. Sharing bets isn't just about the stakes, it's about enhancing the fun with friends and sharing those thrilling moments. Let's take a look at how to easily access your bet slip on FanDuel. Start by opening the app and navigating to your bets. Sharing your bets is simple. You can use the share button directly to post on social media like Twitter and Facebook. With just a few taps, you can share your exciting bets and engage with your friends instantly. Create your own betting group to keep everyone in the loop about bets and predictions. It's a great way to bond. Decide whether you want to share your bets privately or with the public. Each option has its own benefits. Engage your friends by presenting creative bets and sharing insights. Your enthusiasm can really ignite discussions. Don't forget to check out the rewards and promotions that come with sharing bets. They can enhance your experience. So there you have it. Sharing bets on FanDuel can not only enhance your own experience but create lasting memories with friends.